Okay, so I put this picture of this dizzying intersection because I'm thinking of the microbiome now as the intersection of where environment and physiology come together, right? So I talk a lot in my Truemedicine program with people about epigenetics, which is basically the study of how environmental factors turn genes on and off, because DNA is not turning on and off on its own. It's waiting for a signal to know which part of the DNA needs to be transcribed and read and turned into proteins and other molecules. And so the signals from the environment include infection, stress, trauma, toxins, how we sleep, how we eat, what are the foods that are coming in. And these are all signals that enter our bodies, and the gut microbiome actually plays a really important role in translating these signals into what needs to happen at the DNA level, at the cellular level, right? And in lifestyle medicine, we talk a lot about cleaning up our cellular health. No pharmaceutical has the ability to bring your cells back towards a state of balance. It's really just lifestyle habits and how we clean up our environment. So if we can create a healthier, cleaner physical environment and internal environment, like in our mind and body, in turn, our biochemistry goes back towards a place of balance. We turn on the useful genes, like the anti-inflammatory genes, the antioxidant genes, rather than the opposite. Okay, so think about this. We actually have choice in this, right? You can eat a healthy plant-based meal versus fast food. And those two things will have very different effects in your body at the cellular level within a few hours. It doesn't take a week for your body to take note of what came in, because your DNA is just sitting there waiting for information, right, to figure out what to do next, right? And as a result of what you just ate, you may turn on certain hormones, certain pathways. Your immune system will do something either beneficial or not so beneficial. And so I want you to think about that image of this epigenetics happening every time you make a decision. When you decide to go to bed early, you are sending a very important signal into your body. When you give your body adequate rest and calm, maybe you meditate or you do a hobby, maybe you exercise, all of these things are signals. So we can choose much of the signals that reaches deep into our DNA.